the mini module 2 for triangles. It's important that you are watching these videos so that way you understand how to work with triangles. There are two different videos on the triangle inequality theorem. Go back, rewatch them at least one time, if not more than once when you're not understanding what's going on, because you might kind of catch some new things as you're going. So it says, which of the following set of side lengths could not be used to create a triangle? So when we're using not, it's going to not fit into this rule. So basically you have the rule that the sum of the two smaller sides must be bigger than the third side to make a triangle. So your formula is side 1 plus side 2 is greater than side 3. So in this example, you have 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So those two sides equal 8, and that's greater than the other side, 4. And if you see how they've arranged them, all of the sides have been arranged in smallest to biggest in numerical order, because that's how you would be able to add it all up. So you have to go through each of the answer choices and then make sure that you are adding them side 1 plus side 2, and then determining if it's greater than side 3 for each of your answer choices. Remember, you're looking for the one that's not possible, does not fit our rule. Oh, question 7. A triangle has two side lengths that measure 6 inches and 9 inches. Which of the following could be the measure of the third side? Select all that apply. So remember, the third side must fall in between the sum and the difference of the two sides. So you have the sum of the two sides and you have the difference of the two sides. So in this example, they took 12 inches and they took 3 inches. Our example, it's 6 inches and 9 inches. So what you're solving for. Don't use the same numbers as in the model, but your answer has to fall in between those two answer choices. So if you arranged it, so it's got to be greater than 9 and then less than 15. It has to fall in that side. Sorry, it has to be less than 9 and then greater than 15 before I mix those up. So you find the sum, you find the difference. Your third side is going to fall in between those two numbers. If you had it on a number line, just think that that number would be able to fall in the number line in between the two. So you have some multiple different answer choices that it could be. Select all that apply. So you have your side choices here. Question 8. A triangle has a side length of 2 inches and a side length of 3 inches. What could be the length in inches of the third side of the triangle? So you're going to make sure you're using this different formula that we used up here and choose a number that falls in between the difference and the sum.